guys, and welcome to another vlogging Discovering Flights. Today we are in another part of Halkidiki here in Greece, and yeah, it's a very beautiful place with a lot of people. So we will try to fly around, have a good look. The sea is absolutely gorgeous, so you're gonna love this. And yeah, let's jump into the drone. This area is a little bit populated. If you see some naked butts underneath or tits, it's not my fault. So there you go. My guy here is ready to fly, and I already did a quick flight, so I already have an idea about what we are about to see, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Guys, we are rolling. So let me make sure that all the settings are correct. Checking my connection is looking fair, my batteries and everything. So of course, before every flight, make a quick check on your surroundings. And let's start the motors. Time for liftoff. Boom, and we are up. Look at all this rich people estates. So this is it. We are at, I don't know where we are actually. How you call this area here? I already forgot. I'll put it in the thumbnail. You will see it anyway. Immediately go to sports mode. And guys, look at the waters, man. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm flying high enough so you don't see any tits and stuff like that. So the video is safe to watch while you work remotely. And yeah, this is an absolute gorgeous area. We are still at the Halkidiki in the north part of Greece. The waters here are just beautiful. 250 meters. Look at this guy here flexing with his jet ski. Let's go, sir. Can I go close to this guy, or are we gonna ruin our drone? So yeah, it's beautiful weather. Oh wow, look at this guy flexing. Let's go, dude. I hope I'm not gonna lose a drone. If I will, that is the end of this channel. And I want to thank everybody for being here. Let's follow this guy with a drone. Whoa, some shots here, guys. You'd be very, very careful while you are going to these areas. I'm not very good at flying, but I'm very brave. So these guys definitely want some attention. I'm going to give it to them. So let's go up and look at this waters, guys. Ridiculous. Wow, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Yeah, the waters are ridiculous. Look at this. It looks like it's hovering. So if you help me, guys, to make this channel big, and I'll be rich as well, and I'll have a boat like this. But until then, I'll just be poor and just fly with a drone over the rich people. Also good. Nothing to complain. Wow. I'm gonna have some nice shots later in the end of the video. Now immediately I'm just losing some connection. I'm 500 meters away from the drone, and yeah, the wind is always interrupting the signal, and that sucks actually. I need to see how is this possible. I think this is a village here. There's a lot of wind. You can see the way that the drone is actually bending around, and you can see the signal as well fading from time to time. And this is a village. Look at that. God damn. We're flying with 55 kilometers per hour, and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. A beautiful village, and you can see everything shaking, and that is because there's a lot of wind high in the sky. If I fly even higher, let's go. It feels a little bit tough, to be honest. So if I fly more, around 500 meters, you will see the sea from the other side of the mountain. Look at that. There you go, guys. 340 meters. Oh shit, I'm not allowed to be that high. But here in Greece, we have different kind of rules, so it's all good. So here we go. Wow, look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is Halkidiki. This is the first leg. And this is the second leg here. Oh, okay, I'm too high now. I really need to drop slowly. Look at that. You don't see this view every day, guys. No. Okay, max flight distance reached. Let's... Wow, look at that. And this is the end of the leg. In the beginning of the video, you will see that how the map really looks like. And look at that. This is the mountain Olympus there. That is the biggest mountain in Greece where the gods are living. I would love to go here in this area and just fly my drone from there. Then we get another 500 meters extra. And I think from here, I'm just going to go into manual mode and I'm just going to drop. Oh shit, I cannot go because I'm too high. Okay, now I can. So that's a really good opportunity to destroy the drone. Just, and now let's drop. Look at that, we're dropping 32 kilometers. Not that fast though. So I'm not sure exactly where I am. Whoa, there you go. Just a back flip, front flip actually, just for the video thumbnail, I guess. And now let's do some FPV shit, guys. 65 kilometers per hour. That's kind of fast. So scout the area, make sure that there's nothing around. Always make sure, especially in countries like Greece, make sure that there's no cables, electricity. I already scouted the area before I start flying, so I'm not just figuring it out as I go. That'd be very, very, very irresponsible. And always when you fly manual, always, guys, make sure you're not very close to water, unless if you're a super experienced pilot. Whoa, that's fast. That's 100 kilometers per hour now. So let's take it slow here. And I want to go a little bit lower into the play area here. Do some cool shit for you guys. Try to break my drone. So manual is very, very, very dangerous. So make sure you are responsible with your movements. And always have your finger, look at that, I'm losing my connection now. Always have your finger in the pose. So we are lucky with the DJI Avata 2. You can always pose and that's it. I hope you really enjoy this kind of shit, guys. Battery, always check your battery. Now we're 50%. Wow, look at that, man. Holy crap. Just a backflip. There's a beach bar there. Let's go check it out. And I'm still in the manual mode, so I would say it's not the smartest thing to do. And always when you're under trees, when look at this clear fucking water. When the trees are between you and your drone, you need to be very careful because you can lose very, very, very quick your signal. Look at that waters, man. Don't fly too close to people. Now we're like 30 meters from the people. I would say always be around 50 meters. That's the official stuff. So now I'm breaking the law. So I'm immediately going away because I apologize if the Greek government watches this video. I'm not trying to get arrested here. And now the battery, of course, we are already in 35%. Super, look at this nice shit. What is this? So now we are already in 35% because if you go manual and you go with 100 kilometers per hour, one thing is for sure, your battery is fucking drained. So always be aware, around 30%, bring your drone back to home and put in another battery. So here we go. Look at that. Let's try to do something cool before. Shall we go through this or is it too dangerous? Am I pushing my luck too hard here, or shall I try it? No, I'm not going to try it. Sorry. Pussy. I'm not going to try it, guys. Sorry. I wanted to go through that thing, but I can go low, actually. That I can do. I can go low and slow and fast, actually, not slow. here and then here. Okay, so low battery, and immediately the drone is returning to home. When you reach 30%, the drone is returning to home. You don't want that to happen. You always want to bring the drone yourself home. And I would say always before landing, drop it on normal mode. So that will make everything a lot easier. And ow, who's that fat guy here? Oh, that's me. And here's the camera, guys, that you are watching me. And yeah, here we go. Shall I bring the drones a little bit in front here? And pose it. Remove it. Yeah, guys. And flip it. That's the fastest way and the easiest way to actually, yeah. Did I stop the recording? I don't know. Let's try it again. I think I did, no? Just did it. Okay. Battery off. Just let's put it back in. And that was it. That was the flight. We broke a few rules. Try not to be, you should not be closer than 50 meters to people. So I need to remind myself always to have a good look. So this is not happening. And yeah, other than that, the rest, don't go over 120 meters as well. I got a bit carried away, carried over, whatever. But yeah, ideally you should not do that. It's a beautiful, always a beautiful area. If you want to see more, keep following the channel. You know what you have to do. You know that you have to press this beautiful subscribe button. Close everything off. Remove your fingers. And that was it. We will see each other in the next videos. We have a lot of places to explore. So if you want to see something specific, don't forget to let me know in the comments. I will reply to you. Once per week, we're going to have a nice video uploaded. So grab this opportunity and ask your questions. And I'll see you in the... Oh, hi, hello. Did you hear me? No. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, gentlemen and ladies. Mostly gentlemen.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bent face flamed by the light. I'm going away, I'm going away, I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I